LG UltraGear 27GX790A B review and best settings. Is this OLED gaming monitor worth it? If you're looking for an OLED gaming monitor built for competitive gaming, the LG UltraGear 27GX790A B is one of the most interesting 1440p options to consider. But is 480Hz actually worth paying for, and what settings should you use? If you're interested in checking out this product, I've tagged it in this video, and you can find it through the product link in the description. The 27GX790A features a 26.5-inch OLED panel with a 2560 by 1440 resolution, an impressive 480Hz refresh rate, and a rated 0.03 millisecond GTG response time. It also supports AMD FreeSync Premium Pro and G-Sync compatible, while DisplayPort 2.1 gives you the bandwidth needed to take full advantage of high refresh gaming. For competitive titles, this is where the monitor really makes sense. Independent testing finds extremely fast response times and very low input lag, making motion look exceptionally clear and responsive. The OLED panel also delivers deep blacks and strong HDR contrast, while LG rates it for Display HDR True Black 400. The stand is highly adjustable, with height, tilt, swivel, and pivot adjustments, and you get two HDMI ports, DisplayPort 2.1, USB connectivity, and a headphone output. For settings, a sensible starting point is Gamer 1, with the refresh rate set to 480Hz when your hardware can actually drive it. For competitive gaming, keep Adaptive Sync enabled and use a brightness level that suits your room. If you want more accurate colors, an sRGB-oriented mode can also be useful, although independent testing found some pre-calibration accuracy issues. There are compromises. It has no USB-C video input, no built-in speakers, and OLED still carries a potential long-term burn-in risk with persistent static content. It also isn't exceptionally bright against strong glare, so room lighting matters. Overall, this monitor makes the most sense for serious competitive gamers who can take advantage of 480Hz. For casual gaming, a cheaper 240Hz or 360Hz OLED may offer better value. If you want to check the latest details or buy this product, I've tagged it in the video, and you can find the product link in the description. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and let me know if 480Hz OLED is worth it for you.